Rough stretch of weather here. Today included rain pretty much all day across much of the state, especially southern Maine. Now we're getting to the second phase of this system where we're going to start bringing in colder air from the north. That will bring in some freezing rain into the temperature profile, and that's going to be a tough one to get rid of the rest of tonight in through early tomorrow morning. We'll continue to see at least patchy freezing drizzle around north of Bangor, Millinocket, Greenville, Waterville. This model has it creeping down into Augusta. I don't think we'll have too many problems with that, though. Surface temperatures probably a tad too warm there. The rest of us, scattered showers through the rest of tonight and some patchy fog out there. And that's kind of how tomorrow plays out, too. It's cloudy. It's not as rainy as today, but there will be periods of showers coming in from the west. Meanwhile, we're trying to change over to snow places like Bangor, Millinocket, probably able to do so through the afternoon into the early evening. And then we have one final trough coming through Friday night into Saturday that might have just enough juice in cold air to bring us snow to places like Lewiston and Augusta, maybe Portland, although probably with a 34, 35 surface temperature, it's kind of garbage snow. It doesn't really accumulate to anything. But this last hit of snow could accumulate away from the coastline, and then we get this thing out of here Saturday afternoon, and we finally see some sun on Sunday. It's been, for many of us, quite a slog since when we've seen the sun consistently last. We'll try to change that on Sunday and the pattern going forward after that as well. All right, so we have a winter weather advisory in effect. That has to do with two things: the freezing rain we just talked about, as well as the snow that will come through on the backside of this thing Friday afternoon, Friday night, and into Saturday morning. So they're kind of combining all of those factors into one broad winter weather advisory. So from tonight all the way through Saturday afternoon, we're thinking 1 to 3 inches of total snow here, 3 to 5 across northern Maine. Could be a couple of patches here in the high terrain where you could put a 3 to 5 bullseye and get away with it, but it's kind of one of those deals where you know your spots. The higher elevation, we'll see a few more inches there. Coating possible close to the coastline. I think the immediate coast outside of down east probably doesn't really accumulate anything here, not even a coating. As far as ice accretion through tonight, early tomorrow morning, don't worry about the numbers. Just the shaded pink area has a chance to see the freezing rain glaze at least. After that, it's quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next storm system doesn't move in, it looks like, until Thursday of next week. So finally, some sun, as I mentioned, on Sunday. New Year's Eve looks pretty good as well. Yeah, typical at least. Temperatures in the mid to low 30s, and then after midnight probably into the 20s. Quiet for New Year's Day, quiet for Tuesday, late clouds on Wednesday. Next storm system's Thursday. At this point, it looks like rain. I do not see in the next 7 to 10 days any major winter storms.